Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. A lot of people like the colors from the last video, so I figured wouldn't be a bad backdrop. I guess some more there for everybody who lives in part of the country that doesn't have four seasons. This video is brought to us by our friends at TriStar Trading. Check them out. I put up the information earlier this morning. They just started their biggest sale ever. Ton of shirts for $8. So if you want to grab some Guns and Gadget shirts or some other ones they make, good opportunity. They have shirts, hats, patches, belts, cool stuff. Link is down below, and it helps my Get Out of Massachusetts fund, which is in high gear now. I recorded this video when I was in Florida, but it was during, post-hurricane, and I didn't have any signal, so I never uploaded it. And I figured I'd reshoot it because information has changed. And this is on a state that has a ballot initiative where the voters are looking to vote away the Second Amendment in the state. Now, I'm going to say off the rip, that our rights are not something given to us by government, and they cannot be voted away. I get it. I'm with you. However, in Oregon, Measure 114 is looking to do just that. There's two main focuses for Measure 114. The first one is to create a permit to purchase for firearms. They want to have you beg the state police to give you a permit so that you can take that permit, bring it to a gun shop, and then purchase your firearm. A permission slip from the government, which would make it not a right. So this, I got a list of things that actually looks to initiate, so I want to get it accurate. So they want you to apply for a permit to purchase, again, through the state police. And it would include a fee, a photo, fingerprints, training, a background check. And you could also be denied if for any reason anyone in the process believes that you could be a danger to yourself or others. That's red flag. So red flag is built into this application process. That's kind of convenient, isn't it? The second part is the interesting part. It is a ballot initiative, same thing, 114, part of the same thing, but it is a magazine ban. Can't talk. Words are tough. Magazine ban. And they're covering all of it, and it's for anything over 10 rounds, but it would prohibit the manufacture, import, possession, use, purchase, sale, or other transfer of a magazine that had more than 10 rounds, or the capability of holding more than 10 rounds is the best way to put it. All of the applicants would be put into a registry that the state police would keep. So it has a universal background check, has red flag, and it has a registry all in one. And the reason I wanted to reshoot it, let me switch hands here, is because when I first shot this video, I didn't think it stood a chance. I really didn't. But I read an article, and a couple people in Oregon have sent me messages and emails. The last poll, 51% of the voters are in favor of voting away the Second Amendment. 51%. 51% are in favor of voting in big government, govern me harder, daddy, take away my rights, because we're cowards. Friggin' cowards. It's amazing. That's what's going on in Oregon. If you live in Oregon, get off your ass and vote and make a stink and educate people and get on your politicians. Educate people, because that's going to be the key to this, is educating people. There's a week until the elections. Do not let these communists vote out the Second Amendment in Oregon. Guys and gals, please do not just me a favor, but I'm talking for all the Second Amendment channels. Myself, Anthony from Arm Scholar, Braden from Langley Outdoors Academy, we're going back and forth on the text. Every channel in our arena is being severely restricted right now. They're stepping on the throats of the channels so nobody can see this information. Please help us get the information out. That's what we're here to do, is to educate people and get the info out. And YouTube's not letting it get out. So we're going to count on you, the viewer. Please help us get the information out, share it, like it, subscribe, comment, do everything you can to get it through the algorithm so that we can get everybody motivated, educated about what's going on and how they're trying to take away the Second Amendment and all of the other silly lawsuits and bills and all that stuff we're talking about. Help us get it out. And please click that link down below. Check out TriStar Trading. And all the ways to support the channel are down below as well. Until we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a gun to keep you, your friends, your family, your community safe, because that's what it's for. That'll all be off in a couple weeks, and there'll be some snow, and I'll be sad. Take care, y'all.